everybody, and today I'm starting the vlog in the car, which is a bit unusual, but we've got a busy day ahead of us, so we got up quite early this morning. First off, I'm going to a quick appointment because I need to get a patch test on my hair, scalp, because big things are happening to this on Monday, so 2 days time. So I need to get a little skin test done, and then we are on our way to Southampton. We are just gonna spend a bit of time there, maybe go see what shops are open, have a little mooch around, you know, place to explore, somewhere to go. And we are also going to be seeing my family as they are at my parents' mobile home, which is in the surrounding area. So we're gonna go, oh, hello. So we're gonna go and say hello to them as well. Hello.
Hello.
Ready?
Kinda.
Steady, go. Right, okay, let's go. Right, literally just got the patch test. I'm not going to show you. She just dabbed a little bit behind my ear. So I'm trying to get, I've got rather a lot of hair, and I'm trying to not let it touch my neck at the moment. But it should dry in like 3 minutes, she said, so that's fine. And apparently if I'm gonna have a reaction, it's probably gonna be within an hour. But I've dyed my hair so much in my lifetime, using all kinds of different products, and I have never had a reaction, so I would be very surprised if I do get one. But yeah, that's all sorted now, so ready for big changes on Monday. Now we're off on the road trip. All right.
Petrol time.
Oh yeah, petrol, and I really do actually need a drink. I'm so thirsty. My mouth's like,
I know.
So yeah, we'll go get some fuel, get some drinks. Obligatory stop to a garage. We picked up some water because I left mine at home. Oops. And also, we did have smoothies this morning, but I have got a naked cocoa and orange bar. These are, well, vegan. They say gluten, wheat, dairy free. They're vegan and they're very yummy. And Dan has got the Kind caramel, almond and sea salt bar. So that should keep us going a little bit more. Yeah, the barbers and hairdressers open. Is it today?
Well, I assume so, with how many people are.
It wasn't that big, but there was a queue.
A small barber shop.
Yeah, that's true. Pubs also open today, and apparently I saw online that pubs opened at 6 o'clock in the morning, or at least had permission to. But that's just a little crazy. Okie dokie, we have found a shopping village in the hopes of getting a Costa. There is a Costa right there. And yeah, I think we're just gonna have a little wander around as well. It is raining though, but we knew that was gonna happen. Oh. Oh. Getting a jacket on in a car is just not an easy...
No, it's not. It's just get out and do it.
Yeah, but it's raining. It's raining. It smells weird.
Yeah, it does smell weird.
Thank you, have a good day.
Right, back to the car?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you. We bought lots of nom-noms. Oh. So there was a little bakery in there, because the village was not as big as we thought it was going to be.
It's crazy how big the car park is for such a small place.
But there was toilets, there was coffee, and a bakery, so can't complain. Okay, and we got so much food. So there is a...
Oh, get your dirty mitts off of it.
Bacon and cheese. Oh.
Oh no.
Bacon and cheese. There you go. I made this rash decision because I feel pressurized to like make a decision quickly, and I got this chocolate thing. No, it will be good, won't it? There was just so much yummy stuff in there, and I was looking at it all and I might just start going all blurry like, I'll just have that. So that's my sweet thing. Sausage rolls. Dan also got apple turnover, which, can I try some of that?
Yeah, I've never had one before.
I have, but it's never been something that I've normally had. Maybe we could split our puddings.
It's just gonna be super messy though.
Do you want the bag?
Yes.
Look at that. And it's so fresh. And it all looks such high quality. And these massive cakes and pastries. And how much did it come to for all of this? £5?
£5.
Oh, I mean, that tastes really good already. I've just licked a little bit of it.
What? What?
Look at your beard.
What?
Look at your beard.
Oh, it's flaky.
Yum. Oh my goodness, that's delicious.
That's what you tend to find with these like little small bakeries, is that the food's always really good.
Better quality.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We've just driven a little bit further and we have found a pet shop. So, Dan needs some Vitalin or something, which you get at pet shops for his fishing mix. And I want to get Bailey, the doggo, a treat. We found some birds.
Oh, you can't see dark sparrows in there.
Look, there's peacocks. Look.
These look like little doves up here, look.
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. There's like loads.
Bengalese?
Little finchies.
Yeah, so these birds here are really good foster parents.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Or just food.
They're really good for if you're breeding eggs, like for breeding eggs, if you're breeding birds,
Yeah.
of a similar size finch, you can take the eggs out of one of the nests and put them into their nests, and they will rear up the birds as if their own.
That's amazing.
They're really good. They've all come down.
Pied diamond doves. Oh yeah, you were right. Those are doves. They were the same as what was in the other one. Budjos! Budjos! Look at you!
Or spice birds.
Spice birds, yeah.
Do you know what they call them, spice birds?
Why?
Because when you eat them, they're spicy.
Oh, whatever. For goodness sake. They've got dog tacos.
These aren't too big for the apartment, are they?
Dan's got his...
But how can I say no? I've just got to spend £4 on a dog that's not even ours.
It's not £4, £2.99. Dan's just gone and bought terrier meal. It's doggo food for fishing.
Yeah, doggo
Isn't
food.
it?
Well, it's not doggo food for fishing.
And I picked up Bailey. His favourite sort of treat thing is always fish-based food. So I just got him some fish chunks, which are probably going to absolutely stink, but he'll love it. And
He does love fish.
he goes nuts for it, doesn't he? There's one time we took him into a pet store and I kind of let him choose what he wanted, so I let him go along the treats and see what he seems most interested in, and he was kind of sniffing everything, and then do you remember? Snuffling.
Yeah.
It's the same song. Why does that happen every
Because
time?
it's the beginning of my playlist.
Oh, okay. Anyway, he snuffled down the aisle and he was interested in all of it, but then as soon as that, do you remember there was that like fish stick thing? And he started going crazy for it. So, I mean, he'll be excited to see us anyway, but goodness, he'll love me even more.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome back. Whoa, that is a new speed bump. That's a big one.
That's huge.
That's massive.
Clearly they were upset with people driving around their littles really quickly. There's another one.
Bait it. Go around. Sneaky, sneaky.
Yep.
Yeah, I think the park, did it open up this weekend?
9 3/4 miles per hour.
No, 9 3/4. That's Hogwarts down. Oh, camera just bonked against the window. When on the way out, I'll show you. There's the platform for 9 3/4.
Oh my goodness, they're everywhere.
They're everywhere. Here we are.
Looks like they only just got here.
Where is it? What is it? Should we give it to you outside? Do you want to come outside?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Are you ready? So can... Oh, get a waft of that. Oh, sit. Good boy. Ready? Twist. Twist. Whatever. Oh. Come over here. Well, it's good. It's not. It doesn't just disappear in like a minute, isn't it? In like a second, isn't it? Look, 9 3/4.
Oh, God.
Hogwarts.
Why are they doing 9 3/4?
Well, Dan reckons it looks like they're trying to tell you that the speed limit is 9 3/4.
Yeah, well it is, but it's 10 is what it says on the road.
So, see, that's what I mean. It's Hogwarts.
Yeah,
Hogwarts Express.
yeah.
I mean, why? He's still looking at us as if we're suddenly going to disappear.
We don't normally. Let's see this.
We're coming. Hello. Are you glued to me? Are you glued to me? Are you? Come on. Hello. This little chappy. Oh, there we go. It's running off now. Hello, I'm coming. I'm coming. Yes. I love it. Oh, yep, hello. Yep, hello.
Actually, you go first, no, actually.
Literally glued to me right now. So we are back in the car and on our way home. We're just doing a little drive-through route to get some food because it is 7:15. And that bakery food did not last quite all day.
No.
Dan wanted KFC, so he's got a KFC, and we're now in the McDonald's drive-through for me because they're literally just down the road. But yeah, and then we are just gonna head on home. Time to dig in. Completed.